Fixing stains on walls with proper painting techniques. Walls are an essential part of any building, and keeping them in good condition is crucial for maintaining a comfortable and attractive living or working space. However, stains on walls are a common problem that can detract from the overall aesthetic appeal of a room. Fortunately, there are several proper painting techniques that can be used to fix stains on walls and restore the look of a room to its former glory. Identifying the cause of the stain. Before applying any paint, it's important to identify the cause of the stain on the wall. Different types of stains require different treatment methods. For example, if the stain is caused by mold or mildew, a bleach solution should be used to kill the spores before painting. If the stain is caused by water damage, the source of the leak should be addressed before any painting is done. Preparing the surface. Once the cause of the stain has been identified and addressed, it's time to prepare the surface for painting. This involves removing any loose paint or debris from the affected area and cleaning the wall with soap and water. If the stain is particularly stubborn, a degreasing solution or TSP, trisodium phosphate, can be used to ensure a clean surface for painting. Priming the wall. Before applying any paint, it's important to prime the wall to ensure the paint adheres properly and the stain does not bleed through. A quality primer will also help to cover up any discoloration caused by the stain. Choose a primer that is specifically designed for the type of stain you are dealing with, whether it's water damage, smoke damage, or something else. Painting the wall. After the primer has dried, it's time to apply the paint. Choose a high-quality paint that is specifically formulated for the type of wall you are painting, whether it's drywall, plaster, or another surface. Apply the paint with a roller or brush, working in small sections and using long, even strokes. Be sure to apply 2 coats of paint to ensure full coverage and a smooth finish. Preventing future stains. While fixing stains on walls is important, preventing future stains is even more crucial. To avoid stains caused by water damage, be sure to fix any leaks or water-related issues as soon as they arise. Use a dehumidifier to keep humidity levels in check and prevent mold and mildew growth. And always use a quality primer and paint to ensure the longevity of your paint job. In conclusion, fixing stains on walls with proper painting techniques is an important part of maintaining the look and feel of any space. By identifying the cause of the stain, preparing the surface, priming the wall, and applying quality paint, you can restore your walls to their former beauty. And by taking steps to prevent future stains, you can ensure your walls stay looking great for years to come.